Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over the new feature with Nova Backup, which is how to mount the backups that you've done in order to do quick restores, view files, and basically check the integrity of your backups. This feature was introduced in 21.2 of the software, which was released in April of 2025. With that, we support both the local backup devices and cloud backup devices. One of the restrictions we have right now is it can only be a file and folder level backup. It doesn't support plugins such as Hyper-V, SQL, or System State. I just wanted to go through that up front. Another thing that you do have to have is basically a location where you want to mount it. So in this case, I'm going to mount it into an empty folder. It has to be an empty folder for us to basically say that's where I want to mount the folder. So in this case, I have it on the D drive, just a simple folder called mount. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to go into the settings of restore. And in here, I'm going to change the restore file to alternate location to be that particular mount folder. Just like this. And then you don't need to change any of these other settings. This is basically just saying where we want that mount to be located. I'll click OK here. I'll even just close this window so I can show you how it'll work. In this case, I'm going to mount a backup that I've done to a NAS device. This works on cloud storage too, but in this case, I'm only going to do this on this NAS device backup here. And just select the entire thing, because it's going to mount the entire backup here. You don't need to select single files or anything like that. What it's going to do is, once I click the mount button, it's going to go out to that location, see the storage, find that particular backup, and then if you have a bunch of different backups that have been incremental from it, it's going to also show all the data from those other backups in here, but just it's going to show you at that point in time. So it brought up the Explorer window for that, and I can dig directly into that backup that I've done here. And I can, let's see, I'll go into here, and I can see, if I want to open this file. So this is opening it from the actual backup itself. I can copy files directly from here. Say a user says, hey, I lost an Excel document. I don't know exactly where it is. You can let them see this and kind of browse into that instead of them trying to have to remember where that folder is, etc. This really allows that quick access. You saw how quick that was to restore. So it really gives you that quick access in order to see those files and recover them without having to create a restore job. You can just use, in this case, Windows Explorer to just copy paste from whatever you need to do. And once you're done with that mount, you've done whatever you want to do, go back to that restore view here and just click unmount, and it will unmount that automatically. You'll go into status, it's going to show done, and that folder will, if basically it's saying, Windows Explorer is saying, hey, this isn't there anymore because it's been unmounted, and if I go here, it's empty again. That's all there really is to this feature and function. It's really kind of a cool function that we thought about, and we're going to be enhancing it more. But we wanted to get it into your hands so you can use it and quickly recover files and make sure backups are good using this mount function. Thanks for your time.